So hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Really good news today. More and more people are buying into Shiba Inu, which in turn increases your wallet's demand and also the price. Thank you so much for dropping a like because we're going to be going into a lot of news today. 1.2 billion coins. Let's go. Good luck. And someone bought $10,000 or $1,000 and people are buying 4.3 million. Like someone just bought $250,000 worth of SHIB tokens. Obviously, they know Shiba Inu's price is going to increase, and I definitely do think so. It's going to be eating a few zeros as long as Dogecoin goes up, and Dogecoin is definitely not dead. Now, long-time lurker and long-time holder, I almost never post here. I gotta admit, seeing this on my Facebook feed for the first time today gave me a tingle. With the market cap of over 11 million, this coin is clearly more than a meme. It's not 11 million. Obviously they're just promoting it right now, but the market cap right now is 4.3 billion. The Shiba army is rapidly growing with 738k Twitter followers and a thriving subreddit, proving that more than just popular for this innovative crypto. And Shiba Inu is becoming more than just a meme coin. It's becoming a brand, and eToro is seriously shilling Shiba Inu because this is free promotion, but also most of the trades they have on eToro is from Shib itself. Kanye's life before Shiba versus Kanye's life after Shiba, which is awesome. But we all on Robinhood about it. When is eToro getting wallets? Last time I checked months, they didn't, and who knows when they get wallets, but this is surely good things at plan. So Bitcoin bulls are at risk. Tether growth rate flatlines despite market cap crossing 64 billion. Now, the market capitalization of the world's largest stablecoin received a boost despite facing regulatory threats in the United States. Now, Tether holdings, and you can see, they're sleeping on money. They're 64 billion. Just imagine, $64 billion. The issuer of the largest stablecoin, Tether, reported that its total market capitalization has crossed 64 billion for the first time in history. The company called the event a milestone, adding it's an indication of the cryptocurrency market's continued trust and confidence in its stablecoin. Tether's USDT market cap hits 64 billion, a new milestone reached, and another indication of the market's continued trust and confidence in Tether. But it's getting hit. Tether is getting seriously hit with regulatory action, and in detail, Tether's business model revolves around providing digitized dollars to cryptocurrency traders and investors. And a lot said if Tether falls, if Tether becomes worth zero, that's a 64 billion loss. Now, in doing so, the company offers a way to park their volatile digital assets into USDT, a digital asset that maintains a 1-to-1 peg to the United States dollar. As a result, Tether assists crypto traders and investors cut through the hassle of transferring their digital asset sale proceeds to a bank. But it's signaling crypto demand. Look at this. Just look at this. 47 million transfer from Compound Tether to unknown wallet. Someone just bought 47 million in USD like that in a single transaction. Tether officials have earlier clarified that it's a fresh USDT issuance that takes place to meet orders from customers. Therefore, a rising dollar market indicates that traders and investors may want to purchase the stablecoin and deploy to purchase digital assets such as Bitcoin and Tether, or put them into yield farming contracts to earn annualized rewards. A rising Tether issuance rate typically coincides with spikes in the Bitcoin market. For instance, the total market cap of USDT was around 4 billion in March 2020, but rose to over 61 billion in May 2021. So Tether is growing at a fast pace. But what if this all comes down? Now, later, Bitcoin recovered a new endorsement from Tesla's Elon Musk and its CEO Jack Dorsey, and the fears of higher inflation led by the US Federal Reserve's loose monetary policies. So they've been printing cash. Glassnode data reports that 20% of Tether supply is currently locked in decentralized finance project smart contracts. So Tether is worth more and more and more and more. You can see here USD coin percent of supply in smart contracts, and you can see about 50%. For Tether, it's about 10%. From 100% at its release, it's getting it's slowly increasing. But I foresee Tether continuing to virtually print more and more Tether as the crypto industry continues to grow. So right now, it has an infinite supply, and that's a lot of money, that is basically could be sold at any time. hinting a potential market boom that may follow in the sessions ahead. The growing supply indicates that the crypto ecosystem believes in its own system, carving out means to peg trading pairs with an asset other than the US dollar. So he's hinting that we're going to be getting another crypto boom, which I'm really, really excited for. And you can see obviously that Tether might be going up. Even with regulation, more and more people are investing into crypto. Regulation does not stop crypto anymore. This is great news for Shib. If Shiba Swap ever gets regulated, it won't stop it. It won't stop Shiba Swap anymore. Shiba Swap cannot get hacked. But People's Bank of China in Shenzhen cleans up illegal crypto firms. So we're seeing more and more, basically, regulation, and the Shenzhen branch of People's Bank of China has launched a special program against illegal crypto-related activities, beginning with a crackdown on 11 emerging companies. So carry out pilot project of precision education for financial consumers, use technology to enable accurate portraits of customers, and establish personalized risk prevention and education programs. So China is going in hard on removing crypto, but this does not stop Shiba Inu holders. So I'm really excited for that, as it seems like we are seeing huge adoption right now, both for Shib. Shib has been massively growing. All of other cryptocurrencies are growing as well. And the report indicated the worldwide adoption of crypto assets jumped over 1,200%, with peer-to-peer platforms driving cryptocurrency usage in emerging economies. Vietnam, India, Pakistan are leading the world in terms of cryptocurrency adoption, underscoring the resilience of peer-to-peer monetary system in emerging economies. So basically that means more and more and more and more people are just using crypto, just buying crypto straight off exchanges. So we are going to be seeing another bull run pretty much in the foreseeable future. Maybe it happens tomorrow, maybe it happens in 2 days. But the top 20 countries were largely made of emerging economies, with the likes of Tanzania, Togo, and even Afghanistan making the rank. The United States and China saw their ranking slip to 8th and 9th. So all of these countries are super bullish in crypto adoption. They're all using crypto. You can see Pakistan, India, Vietnam. These are the countries that are using crypto the most. These could be the next legal tenders. So El Salvador, going the right step ahead and becoming a legal tender. These countries could be next. We could be seeing Argentina becoming a legal, accepting crypto, or even Bitcoin as legal tender. All of these countries, maybe not the United States because it has the US dollar, but the poorer countries, the ones that don't have as much capital, or the smaller countries, can do that. And that's really, really awesome. In Latin America, several countries are exploring the possibility of more mainstream acceptance of digital assets such as Bitcoin. In June of this year, El Salvador became the first country to the world to recognize Bitcoin as a legal tender. So Latin America is next. You can see Bitcoin Exchange raises $200 million from SoftBank, and things are finally starting to avail. The countries accepting crypto. This is, not even the adoption stages anymore. This is the growth stages, because people are going to be coming in and buying cryptocurrencies. Australian regulator issues warning about unlicensed crypto businesses. So they're doing a lot of regulation, and with a lot of regulation, they're going to be doing a lot of work to actually keep the bad players out there. Now, Ethereum liquidity crisis could see new Ethereum all-time high before Bitcoin. So right now, Ethereum is in a huge liquidity loss due to the burn. And it seems like Ethereum will be having another huge spike up before Bitcoin even happens. With Bitcoin up over 50% versus its lows of 29,000, altcoins have also begun to reawaken, with Ether is no exception. The largest altcoin has recaptured $3,000, and it will probably going up from here. Current Ethereum price is closer to at its highest compared to Bitcoin. Higher demand, lower supply, Ethereum sell-side liquidity crisis still intensifies, while Bitcoin exchange reserve stopped its downward trend in May. So there's only less and less Ethereum, and there's, on the exchanges, and this is further increasing the price. So this was the Ethereum reserves before. This is the Ethereum reserves now. And I think there's going to be, a massive supply bump, as we're just going to be seeing a lot more of people buying Ethereum. It has seen a mostly linear downtrend since late May of local high of 21 million held on exchanges, and now they have 19 million Ethereum. That's a lot of money, but it's falling. The supply is falling, and once the supply is dried up, Ethereum will explode. And guess what? So will Shib. When Ethereum explodes, Shiba Inu will explode as well. So I'm really excited for that, but impulse in both directions could have resulted in a price action following as the Metro continues to grind slowly upward, currently at levels previously 58k Bitcoin, watching for another major impulse. And once we get the incubator, as we're getting closer and closer every single day, that's when we're going to be getting our own burn. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, peace everyone.